my name is Melinda Colettos. My husband, Phil Griffin, together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. I just never know what you're going to come up with next. Anyway, so tonight we're going to be making pasta carbonara. We are going to be using an Italian pasta. It's right from Naples. It's Di Martino pasta. For you local folks, you can get this at Dave's. And it's excellent pasta. It's probably one of the best pastas I've ever had.
So this is
in this country.
a classical French dish.
No, it is not. And one more thing, but we're going to be using these eggs. But I want Sarah to get a beautiful close-up of these. These are from Stamp Farm. They're beautiful. The yolks are like standing up. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. But they're located at 816 Greenville Avenue in Johnston, Rhode Island, so you should all be getting your eggs from there. All right, what do we got going on in here, Phil?
So I have 1 pot canola, 2 pots olive oil, and I'm adding prosciutto. Now you can use pancetta. We're using prosciutto because that's what we have. I can be known to be a relatively thrifty shopper.
Cheap.
Yeah. So if you go to Price Right, especially the one in Johnston, and you go to the deli section, they sell the ends.
Yeah.
And I can pick up prosciutto ends for like
Parma prosciutto.
Parma ends for like
$4
half
a
price.
pound.
Yeah.
So
this is a good thing. So we're letting this brown up in here.
and the way we let it brown up is
You don't touch it.
don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's when
I'm just letting it sit all flat on the bottom.
Okay.
And the way we tell if it's ready to be touched is the sound will decrease.
Yeah.
There's less moisture. We can hear the sound,
Yeah.
sight, and then smell. We can smell it. I can smell the
I can start smelling it now
kind
too.
of really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Right. How's the pasta doing? Pasta drop?
Pasta's dropped. We're going to be pulling it out in a second or two. I just want to tell them a little bit about Parma prosciutto. The reason Parma prosciutto tastes so different is there's something else that's made in that region of Italy, and that's called Parmesan Reggiano cheese. So what
We're
happens
using that
is,
today too.
yes, we are. So when the cheesemakers are finished making their cheese, what's left is the whey, and the whey is fed to the pigs in Parma. Hence, Parma prosciutto tastes differently because of what the pigs eat. You really are what you eat. One other little tip or trick is when you do buy your Parmesan Reggiano cheese or your Parmesan cheese and you've got the rind, save those. Put them in your freezer. When you make soup or when you make gravy, throw rind in. It's all magic.
Are you all set now?
I'm all set.
All right,
My relatives in Italy are just...
I'm going to add a
horrified
little
by
bit of
this.
heavy cream to this.
So in Italy, there's no heavy cream. This is just done with egg yolks.
Right. Because the heavy cream is ultra pasteurized, we can boil it. As we're boiling it, this does something what they call double up. It becomes thicker viscosity. If you wanted to make an Alfredo sauce, this is a good way of making an Alfredo sauce. Taking the heavy cream and doubling it up. Maybe mixing this before a Newburgh sauce. This is how I did my chicken marsala sauce.
All right, while we're still going there, another tip.
Are you almost ready?
Yeah, I got about a minute 30. So, when you're boiling your pasta with your hard pasta or your dry pasta, boil the water first, let it come to a rapid boil, then add your salt. And I want you to give it a good generous handful. You want it salty like the ocean, and then drop your pasta.
All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right. I'm going to go over here. Melinda's going to put the pasta in the pot. Go ahead. And what I'll do is I'll tell her to add a little bit of pasta water as she goes, so as she's scooping it out, she can make it a little bit wet. All right.
There you go.
All right, that looks
You
pretty
need some?
good. No, I'm pretty good.
You good?
Put it back on here. Let it cook down a little bit more. I'm going to put in some Parmesan cheese. Put it in at the end. Don't put it in the beginning because it'll just stick to the bottom.
And make a mess for me to clean.
Okay. Gonna shut this off. And now we're going to add in the eggs. We're going to add them in slowly because we're going to temper them in. If we don't temper them in, we could have scrambled eggs, and we don't want to have scrambled eggs. And these are egg yolks only. We want the fat.
Yeah.
We don't want the egg whites. Oh yeah, baby, look at that.
No peas. It does look good.
Those scrambled eggs, which is
No
good.
scrambled eggs.
The most important thing, you must taste it. I don't think I'm.
I mean, I need this.
I need a little bit of salt.
Okay. And you'll definitely need pepper, I know that.
Oh, it's like a half teaspoon.
Yamola.
Alright.
Oh, I hate that noise.
Love you too. I don't know who's gonna eat this tonight. Fred, do you like this?
Oh yeah. Very excited.
This comes from our Inoteca menu, right?
Yes, this is for an Inoteca menu. All right. Oh wow, fancy pants, huh?
Bam!
Wow, you're not Emerald.
I
You
know.
are not Emerald, okay? So that's it. That's where we got our pasta
It's
carbonara.
that easy.
It is easy. So now tomorrow night, we're going to be making a Guinness beef stew, and we're serving it on a bed of mashed potatoes.
Don't give away all the secrets.
All right.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay. So we'll see you tomorrow night at 5 o'clock.
Bon appetit. Oh, that's the wrong one. Manja.
Ciao.